What is the difference between self-care and self-indulgence? Super important. Self-care is important. It's important that we take time to exercise, to fill up our reservoirs, to eat well, to sleep well, to have fun, to listen to music, to do art, to do music, to do other hobbies, to take a nap, to do all the kinds of things that give us resources. That's self-care. To go get a massage, to get a pedicure, to, whatever else, to go get buff in the gym. All those things are important so that we have resources to benefit ourselves and other people. The personal reservoir is important so that we can contribute and serve other people. And self-indulgence is filling up my personal reservoir just for me to sit and bask and swim in my personal reservoir. That's not healthy. That's self-indulgence and thinking about me and only me and what does this mean for me and what is this? And ironically, the less good care we're taking of ourselves, the more self-preoccupied we become because our brains become really obsessed with like making sure that I'm not getting screwed over and I'm not getting taken advantage of and I'm being heard and my voice matters. The less effectively we're running our lives and the less effectively we are taking care of ourselves, the more our brains are like fighting for that psychological air to feel like we matter enough to be taken care of. Super big, super important to remember the difference between self-care and self-indulgence. Self-care is filling up so that you can give, because you can't give what you don't have. Self-indulgence is filling up just for yourself.